Meet Rudolph. Rudolph has one feature which is extremely polarizing. Rudolph's hat. People either love it and are highly intrigued, or they hate it and give me a disgusted look and ask, what the f*** is that tent? My friend and I built this tent before I moved up to Atlanta about a year and a half ago in order for me to help move my stuff in my truck and keep it enclosed on the drive from Florida. The frame is constructed of plywood, 2x4s, steel cables, ratchet straps, and marine vinyl. It is mounted to the sliding bed rails all Tacomas come with using wing nuts and 2x4s. This has held up great over the past year and a half or so, but I'm considering camping in this, and there's a gap in the back where critters can easily crawl in. I also need to replace the removable back sheet of vinyl because I was trying to replace the Velcro and I got glue all over it and it was white everywhere. Let's get started on these small improvements. First thing I'm going to do is cut off the excess vinyl in the back, and then I'm going to lay over some patio screening on top to keep the air flowing in and out, but keep the bugs from getting in. I'll use this Velcro to attach the bottom half of the screen to the bed of the truck, and that way if I need to remove the cap, I can if necessary. I'm using staples to attach the top half of the screen to the 2x4. With the top half secured, I can now go through adding Velcro to the rest of the bottom, securing it to the bed. This combination of staples and Velcro seemed to have worked really well to keep the screen tight to the bed. Moving on to the back cover, I'll use this Velcro to attach 3 of the sides to the existing vinyl. The next 30 minutes of my life consisted of holding vinyl up, gluing, taping, cutting, gluing, taping, holding vinyl up, and so on. Now with 3 of the 4 sides attached, it's time to tackle the tailgate. To attach the back of the cover to the tailgate, I'll use magnets folded into the excess marine vinyl. This way it should be pretty easy to open the tailgate. Before permanently gluing the magnets inside the vinyl, I used the magnets to mock it up. The cover was about 15 inches long and I planned on using about 6 magnets, which came to 8.3 inches apart from each magnet. Using chip bag clips to hold it together, I would then glue the magnets into place. Using the same concept, I glued magnets into the side edges of the main piece of vinyl. After pulling it tight, it looks like it works absolutely perfectly. V-proud. Now I'm just going to take it out on the road and see how well it holds up while driving. Well, it looks like this is working perfectly. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today, and if you love this cap, let me know in the comments. If you hate it, I don't really care what you think. If you like this channel, subscribe. If you don't like this channel, I don't know how you made it to this point in the video, but I'll see you guys next time.